Lounge just dropped their first ever strapless bra, and they were nice enough to send me 2 of them plus a bunch of other goodies. So shout out to Lounge for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited. You guys, we got a lot of good stuff. I cannot wait to show you guys all of it. And yes, they also have like a newer activewear that I have not reviewed yet here on my channel, so I got some pieces from that, so I'm so excited. Without further ado, let's get right into it. You guys should know I love Lounge, and they made some of my favorite tracksuits, and now I'm so excited for this new launch that they have of their strapless bra, which are made to be unseen because obviously you don't want to show a bra, especially when it's strapless like this. So they came out with 3 different colors. I chose the chestnut color and then also the black. This is what the packaging looks like, and this packaging also is made from 100% recycled plastic. Perfect. Actually needed new strapless bras, so when I saw and heard that they were coming out with these, I was like, absolutely, I would absolutely love to test out some of these. So these are the 2 colors that I got. I wanted a nice neutral classic, so that's why I chose this color, and then I had to pick up a black one because you can never go wrong with just a classic black item. They really thought and put a lot of effort into these. Like, there are little details that I love. So first up, let's talk about the actual cushioning in this bra. So this is what it looks like. It has underwired padding, but it has foam cups. This part is foam. It's nice and soft. They also use a silky kind of material on the outside to give it more of that like seamless look under clothing, so you can't really see anything's there. It's not bulky, which absolutely love that little detail. There is also some underwiring, but it only goes around here, and it's actually very comfortable. You can see this is very movable. It's not stiff. And then on the inside it has these silicone dots to help keep it in place, which is really nice. Just that little extra support. Overall, so nice. And then it does have straps, as you can see here, but it is removable. Very easy to remove. You just unhook it and then boom, you have a strapless bra. Or if you want a bra with straps, very simple, very easy, just pop it back in there. It does also have adjustable strap. These bras will solve your strapless bra problems. There's also the little silicone dots over here, and then they have a wider band over here with 3 hooks to help with making sure that it doesn't dig into your skin. So I love that, and literally the detail of this too, 10 out of 10. So that is that. I'm so excited and so happy that finally the perfect strapless bra does exist. Shout out to Lounge, never disappoint. Honestly, love them. Something else I just realized, and this is absolutely like blows my mind, and the little details that they thought of. So these straps, right, look like normal kind of straps. You see a cute little detail over here, silver little detail over here, adjustable straps. Yeah, well, do you see this little like J hook right over here? Yeah, that is so you can make like a racerback bra if you have like a racerback top. That is absolutely genius. So it's a strapless bra, it's a regular bra, and now you got a racerback bra. And then they also come with matching thongs. It comes as a set, so I did get the chestnut one, which is this one. Oh wow, very soft and high rise. For $55 Canadian, this is the thong that comes with it. It is high-waisted and it matches it perfectly, which is so cute. So honestly, this is such a versatile set. Strapless bra, as I mentioned, you can wear it under a tank top, you can wear it under racerback, one shoulder top, whatever it is, you can adjust it, which I love that. And then the matching thong for $55, not a bad deal whatsoever. So I did also get the black one. So this is what the black thong looks like. Super cute, super sleek, no show, very thin. This set also is $55. Moving on to their 365 apparel. As you can see, I really like the chocolate color that they have, but they have a bunch of great pieces, and these are the ones that I chose. I was so excited that I finally get to review some of these pieces. You know me, I love my activewear, I love my comfy clothes. First item that we have are the 365 joggers, which these are them, again in the chocolate color, which I love. Got them in a size small. And do you guys see this tag? How cute is this? Oh my gosh, I can't get over that. So it says, take care of yourself too, stop scrolling, get cozy, meditate, worry less, adore, embrace, be you. We love you, Lounger. So that little detail is just so stinking cute, and I got these in a size small, which happy that I did because I originally wanted extra small, but these run a little small from what you'll see on the try on, so I'm glad I got the small to still be oversized, cute, and cozy, not too long, which I love. I am 5'4" for reference, so you'll see how long they are on me. They also do have two really nice pockets that are a great size, as you can see on each side. And I just overall love them. They have fleece on the inside, but it's not too thick, but also not too thin. These are great for like those cool summer, spring mornings or nights. And I just love it. The chocolate color, really pretty. This is what the waistband looks like. And then the string is on the inside, which is nice because that way it just hides it. So you can't even tell that the string is there, but it is there. So in case you want to pull it a little bit more at the waistband. So that is item number one. It's $90 Canadian. And to go along with it, I picked up the 365 oversized hoodie. As you can see, again, a chocolate color. Does not have a front pocket, but it does have lounge embroidered on the chest area over here on the left side. Again, this does retail for $90, and I picked this one up in an extra small since it did say oversized, which it still is oversized even though it's extra small. Love it. Again, it does have fleece on the inside, same as the sweatpants. Great material overall. Very cozy to wear. It's not a cropped sweater, which, surprise, surprise, I do have a lot of cropped sweaters, but I do like a full-length sweater every now and then. Neckline is also really nice, not too heavy for the hood so it doesn't pull back all the time, but I just love how both of them look very cozy, and I can't wait to finally wear these. I am going to be living in them. Like I said, the other joggers that Lounge made before are my absolute favorite, but these ones are definitely strong contenders as well. Had to pick up a pair of their leggings. Again, the chocolate color, got in a size extra small. Here is their little branding. Very subtle, but also not too subtle, so you can still kind of see it. Extra small again. Material for this is 69% recycled polyamide, hope I'm saying that right, and 31% elastane. So it is very stretchy, but also that nice like buttery feeling, but not too delicate either where you feel like it's gonna pill very easily. So I feel like this will last. And honestly, it's just very, very comfortable. So excited about that. These retail for $70. This is their second skin leggings, which honestly, it feels really good. Very smooth, silky, soft. This is their second skin legging. It retails for $70. Not too long, as you'll see. Also, again, I am 5'4" for reference, and the extra small fit me perfectly. Love it. Fits just like any other leggings, but very, very soft, very comfortable, and not restricting whatsoever. So I love that. And again, very, very stretchy. And then last but certainly not least, I wanted a cute top to match with either the sweatpants or the leggings, and this was like the perfect top. Their second skin racerback top, which I can even wear with this bra because of the racerback little clip that it has, so I love that. This is it. It's high neck, which I personally really like high necks, and then the racerback, as you can see, and then the logo for Lounge. This one is also not too crop, which is great. It fits beautifully with both the sweatpants or the leggings. I feel like both of them just make it sit at such a nice place, and also the leggings and the sweatpants are high-waisted, so they do go above my belly button. Forgot to mention that, but I love how it just looks with this. I love how you just see a little bit of skin when you wear both, so I love that I have that. And then if it gets chillier, I'll just put on a sweater, so I have a full matching set. Absolutely love that. Shout out to Lounge. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to participate in this amazing campaign and for giving me literally the perfect strapless bra. You guys are amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed everything. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!